Good morning to everyone and our panelists. For today's research, we have the market acceptability of cheesy spinacia Olecria pandesa. I am Doc Cristobal.
I am Dwayne Matthew Cruz. I am Dwayne Matthew Cruz.
I am Adrian Gatera.
And I am Venice Rizal Molina.
The goal of the study is to see if cheesy spinacia Olecria pandesal is marketable. So here we have our specified objective for this study: to find out what ingredients were used and how the cheesy spinacia Olecria pandesal was created, to identify the sensory assessment of the product's future development in terms of color, flavor, look, scent, and pricing.
J.N. Gupta's 2005 Jury of Century Evaluation. Structuring limitation of color, taste, and texture. Sensory evaluation, consumer testing, and descriptive analysis to form on new ingredient and processing technology to improve quality of sensory attribute to predict consumer acceptance.
This is our conceptual framework. We use the input process output or IPO model in our study. As you can see in our input, preparation of ingredients in developing cheeses Oleracea pandesal is made, while our process, we researchers gathers the data of sensory evaluation that our respondents and in the observation in terms of color, flavor, appearance, aroma, and cost. In our output, through the gathered data, we improve the development of our product, which is the cheesy spinacia oleracea pandesal.
In this research, we have two statements of the problem that aims to determine the market acceptability of cheesy spinacia oleracea pandesal. First question is, how acceptable is the sensory quality of cheesy spinacia oleracea filling in pandesal in terms of color, flavor, appearance, aroma, and pricing? And the second question is based on the findings from the preliminary sensory evaluation. How may the cheesy spinacia oleracea pandesal may be improved to increase its market acceptability?
Now here we have the significance of the study in which the following will benefit from the study's findings, like students, teachers, and parents, but also entrepreneurs and fellow future researchers.
And here are the scope and the limitation. This study focuses on the sensory evaluation of cheesy spinacia oleracea pandesal from the students of randomly selected male and females that ages 7 to 19 years old of selected school near here in Quezon City. The assessment findings were mostly based on respondents' liking and perceptions.
The concepts and in the articles and the studies that related within this topic. The first one that is related within this topic is the benefits of vegetables, in which past researchers stated that one nutrition value like carotenoids are fruits and vegetables. They are also abundant in many dark green foods such as spinach. Second is the advantages and benefits of spinach, where protein, iron, vitamins like vitamin K, and minerals are in spinach that are good for the bones, skin, and hair and can improve the immune system. In addition, it can reduce the risk of diseases like cancer. Third is the use of cheese. That the past research that the qualities of cheese are quite diverse depending on the culinary purpose. The qualities of a cheese when heated not only depend on the cheese itself, but on the nature of the application and the heating parameters that it gives. Lastly, the nutritional value of pandesal, which we know for a fact that carbohydrates are the main source of calories in bread. Pandesal gives us also a source of fiber that is good for the health and help lose weight.
Because of our sensory evaluation and our theoretical framework, we will use survey research designed to gather information and data from our respondents. According to Vizier, Krosnick, and Lavrakas 2000, survey research is a form of research study that involves the use of questionnaire to gather data from a sample of components selected from a well-defined population.
The respondents and sampling technique. The researchers will use the convenience sampling, which is a type of non-probability sampling. As you can see on our table, we have preteen/children in the age of 7 to 12 years old in the elementary department, which we will be randomly choosing at least 5 respondents. Next, we have the teenagers or so-called adolescents in the age range of 13 to 19 years old in the junior and senior high school and college department. As I mentioned a while ago, we will be randomly choosing 25 respondents, in total of 30.
Here's our research instrument. The researcher used a survey questionnaire in which was divided into two parts. The questionnaire has a total of 30 questions consisting of 5 questions in each assessment criterions: color, flavor, appearance, aroma, and cost. 1 is the lowest, dislike it very much. Second, dislike it a little. 3 is the normal, not sure. 4 is like it a little. And 5 is the highest, that is like it very much.
In our data gathering procedure, the researchers would like to submit an email for permission to the USP Angelicum College School Administrator to conduct a study to the students of the chosen school. Once approved, the researchers will now ask permission of the moderators of the said school if they can conduct a survey to the students. Lastly, the researchers will collect the data from the respondents in which were recorded and written and will ask permission of the said students to share their knowledge or information within the
For the statistical treatment, this research will use the weighted mean to analyze and interpret the gathered data from the respondents. According to Kenton 2019, the weighted mean is a sort of mean in which each observation in the data set is allocated or multiplied by a weight before arriving at a single mean value. Every mean value is given a relative importance in this process.
Thank you for listening to our research proposal. Once again, I am Dap Cristobal.
And I'm doing Matthew Cruz.
and I am Adrian Gatera.
And I am Venice Molina. Thank you.